What you doing now, Dave?
Changing tires.
On?
The Tote. Freedom hauler. Yeah, I need new tires. It's come time.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. So you use a bottle jack, put it on the blocks, and then take the bottle jack back out?
Yeah.
Oh, and you still have it attached to the fifth wheel, don't you?
Right.
Let's see the treads on these bad boys.
A little wore out on the one side there.
Yeah?
Well, seeing how the tires are wearing like that. And the bearings seem to be fine. So I'm going to tow the tires in just a little bit. One turn on the
We'll go look at the other tire. Wow, yeah. That one's even worse.
Yeah.
What size are these tires?
75 R15s.
You got the TPMS systems on these too.
Yeah. Which reminds me now. Let's take those off. Put them on their appropriate sides.
So you're going to go into a tire store and they're going to put the new tires on these wheels?
Yep. They have them balanced and there we go. Yeah, it's a little light on tread on that side, huh?
Boy, big time.
Chunks of rubber missing. We were getting there.
Yep. How many miles do you think you got on this?
About 10,000.
About 10,000?
Yeah.
You have had these for how many years?
2 to 3 years.
2 or 3 years?
Keep pressure on that. Oh God.
So you juiced it up a little bit more?
A little bit. Take two. You want to kick down, maybe it'll come on. That's no good.
Can you spray it with something?
No, not really.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Yep.
Do you have a torque wrench?
That thing's laying it to it.
Gonna need a really long bar.
All right, push on it.
No. Oh man, sucking up the wood.
Bingo.
Oh, you got it. See that one? Yeah, the inside's pretty wore out.
Yeah, they are.
They're pretty wore out, period.
Yeah. I mean, if you look at the spare underneath there,
Yeah.
there's a lot of tread on that one.
What kind you get?
Carlisle's. It says these bad boys are good to 81 miles an hour.
Well, not expecting to go that fast.
Can you see this right here? This joint right here. That's what I'm shooting for.
And you're going to try to make it toe in a little bit?
Yeah. Which means I'm going to take this knuckle here and screw it in one turn.
Oh.
Jam nut right here that you got to de-jam. I'm going to take this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Maybe not. Nope, it ain't moving. Could loosen the tie rod on the jam nuts. I called 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗧𝗏 and they said, don't mess with that. They said it's set at the factory to be precise. So what I did is just readjusted my bearings, tightened them up a little bit, and we'll keep eyes on that and see how the tire wears. If it wears differently, then we'll do something then.
What you doing now?
Lubing up the hitch, the wiggler.
The 𝗬𝗚𝗡𝗞𝗦?
The Watts wiggler.
So you made that, didn't you?
I did.
What's it good for?
Oh, I like big wigglers and I cannot lie. It allows the tote to go side to side. Pitch and yaw.
I believe that 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗧𝗏 now offers that.
𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗧𝗏 does offer that now. They did not before. So
I wonder where they got the idea.
I don't know.
But you can even see being here that it's not level because it's down further here than it is over there. Got enough room for your head? There you go. What you set your torque wrench to?
I said 75.
75?
There it is.
Woohoo! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.